Hey, you have fun. How you doing, brother? I did. Meet the love of my life, my girlfriend Sam.
That sound was good now.
Hi.
Where I tie my shoelace. Okay. Babe, why did you change your dress?
I was feeling somehow. The trousers were a bit too itchy for me.
But you're okay now, yeah?
Yeah, perfect.
So as I talk here, registration is absolutely free. And you get 300% bonus when you use the promo code degeneral. Guys, there are lots of exciting prizes to win too. If you win car, if you win laptop, plenty gifts. When you use the promo code degeneral. What will be the promo code? What will be the promo code?
Breast.
Degeneral. Yeah, you do like play. I recall my piece. Chuka!
Someone come save me from Delilah.
Jimmy, what be that?
I might just stay with you for inside this bedroom.
You want peace?
No, I just want to be with you.
Oh boy, if you get called, I'll tell you. Yeah!
Are you playing? What type of play is this? This is playing.
Babe, was that you knocking?
Yes, now. I wanted to come inside with you and be with you.
Oh, I'm very sorry. I thought it was this way, boy. Remember, I'm here now. Let's go.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it
I did. Kafa. Get with you, I would like tell you.
What's it with that now?
Chuka, you see that you're gay. Shh.
I want Mariam.
Chuka, you won't marry who?
I gave her Sam now.
Jesus!
You won't marry Sam.
Jesus!
Obama, did they walk you now? You know I'm happy for my happiness. Don't did they worry you? You know I'm happy for me, your guy? Come on, there! I did prank you. Yeah! This guy.
Wait till I try me, be say, Sam, and be the right one for you.
Hey,
you see that Sam? Mariam.